Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 10 links. We will be starting out with the URL slides, so you can go ahead and have a look at them. And then we will go through site by site, so you can have a look at page authority, domain authority, and spam score according to Moz, just to get a quick overview of the site. All right, so I'll give you a brief minute to go ahead and take a look at these links here on the slide screen. And then we'll go to the next. And there's actually an extra within this particular video. All right, so we're going to be doing 11 this time around. All right, but it looks like we're missing one here. So that's perfectly fine. Let's get into it. So the very first is flowh.com, DA31. You will want to go ahead and sign up. This is going to be a profile. Alrighty. Next is codechef.com. So on CodeChef, I believe it is, you can go ahead and enroll. I know you get a profile on here. Yep, new user, it's right here, DA57. Next is LexisNexis.com. So this is a community. You will get a profile if you take a look here at the hamburger. You will want to go ahead and sign up for an account. And that will be that. Next is going to be fancy.com. So this is fancy.com. We'll get rid of their intrusive pop-up. It's a DA73 at fancy.com. You will want to go ahead and click on the sign in and then sign up. All right. It's going to be a profile. Next is flatter.com. So support creators with one easy subscription or with one-time donations. You'll get a donation page. You get your own page. You can do whatever you want with it. It's a DA69. So this is TripAdvisor. I'm sure a lot of you might already have one of these accounts. As you know, you will get an option to be able to talk about your business, right? Can be very valuable, especially for you local guys that are building unverified assets for proximity expansion. All right, so let's move on. Forum.statcounter. So forum.statcounter is going to be a forum, DA88. Next is wiki.com. Wiki.com. All right, so you will want to go ahead and sign up. This is one of those sites where you actually need a Gmail, so you might want to go ahead and throw in one of your Gmails, that whatever you're using. So again, this is minzera.sartov.gov.ru. This is the form, and just because it's down right now does not mean that you will not be able to get into the account later. All right. I actually gave this away in a video before. There is a way to sign up. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt. I did this in a YouTube video once. But as you can see, it's a forum. See? So you'll be able to sign up. All you have to do is translate it and sign up for an account. All right. Next is going to be torgy.gov.ru. Again, I made this in a video before. This is a do follow, DA62. Next is 12700. Probably just missed the button. And this is nitro-sourceforge.net. So this is a fun little page here. So please go ahead and have a little look at this. Yeah, so that's going to end it up right here at the register for this DA34 page. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'll see you then.